Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to import contacts from Gmail to Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So importing contacts from Gmail is super easy process. So first of all, open your phone settings and search for accounts and sync and tap on Google. And now you need to select here the Gmail account you want to import contact, and here you'll find these contacts option. So all you have to need, if this option is disabled, you will need to enable this option by checking this one, and that's how contact will be imported from Gmail to Android. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.